Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're checking out the Gas One GS-3400P Propane or Butane Stove, a versatile dual-fuel stove that's a popular choice for portable camping stoves and emergency kits. If you need a reliable cooker with fuel flexibility, you're in the right place. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. The Gas One GS-3400P arrives in a handy carrying case, a big plus for portability. Its small size and lightweight design make it ideal for camping trips or as a backup. The real star here is the dual fuel capability. This stove works with both 8-ounce butane cartridges and 16.4-ounce propane cylinders, adapter included. This adaptability makes it a strong contender for the best dual fuel stove for various situations. Operation is simple thanks to the automatic piezo-electric ignition. No matches needed. The adjustable dial provides good heat control for different cooking needs. Safety is key, and Gas One includes a pressure sensor with a butane cartridge ejection system and a gas flow cutoff for butane, offering valuable peace of mind. Let's look at what users love and some potential drawbacks. Many praise this portable camping stove for its ease of use and setup. The dual fuel option is a major highlight, offering unmatched flexibility. Its lightweight is perfect for portability, weather camping, or during power outages. For the price, it's often seen as excellent value. However, some users mention the carrying case feeling flimsy. Heat output receives mixed reviews, with some finding it sufficient, while others desire more power for larger pots. A few users reported concerning issues like burner melting or very low flame, indicating potential quality control variations. What makes the Gas One GS-3400P stand out is its dual-fuel versatility in a compact, user-friendly design. It's a great option for those prioritizing flexibility and portability for shorter trips or as an emergency backup. If you need heavy-duty construction or consistently high heat for large meals, you might consider other top portable stoves. Overall, the Gas One GS-3400P Propane or Butane Stove offers a compelling mix of features and adaptability at a good price. The dual fuel capability is a significant advantage. Just be aware of potential build quality and heat output considerations based on user experiences. What are your experiences or thoughts on the Gas One GS-3400P? Share them in the comments. If this review was helpful, please like and subscribe for more gear insights. Thanks for watching.